fidgets and showing you my collection. So first off, we have my rainbow poppet. I would say this one's a really good poppet. Like, I would say 8 out of 10. And I'm going to be rating my poppets also today. So this is my rainbow one. And I'm going to say, yeah, it's about an 8 out of 10. I'm going to do all of my poppets first. This is my first ever poppet. It's my Among Us poppet. It's pretty good. I'm going to give it like 7 out of 10. And this is my newest poppet. And it's like really good. I would give it like a 10 out of 10. It sounds amazing. This one's my turtle poppet. Then I have my huge rainbow unicorn poppet. Now this one side's really not that good, but the other side's really good. So I'm gonna give it like a 6 out of 10. And my dinosaur poppet. It's not really good. 5 out of 10. This is one of my favorite poppets. It's one of my newest also. It has the letters and numbers all over it. It sounds really good on the back. I'm gonna give it like a 9 out of 10. Now this is my favorite poppet. I got it from class. It was a reward. But this is like literally my favorite poppet. 14 out of 10. Now this is one of my poppets that I got also from school because my friend gave it to me. It's pretty good. I would give it like a 6 out of 10. I have my poppet fidget spinner. Now this is one of my favorites. I'm going to give it like an 8 out of 10. My newest fidget is my Orby. Squishy. It's definitely 10 out of 10. This is my favorite squishy. Got it from Walmart. A lot of my poppets I got from Walmart. Walmart has really good fidgets. But this one, I gotta give it an 11 out of 10. I might be going over a little bit if they're really good. They're my favorites. Plus, it ripped a little bit. It's like foam, but now its ears can go like this. So I would say it's not that durable, but squish is really good. One of my oldest is it's scented like chocolate right here, and it's a really good squishy. Again, foam squishies aren't that durable. The ear fell off. Then I have my dog with a floaty squishy. It's pretty good. I would give it like a 7 out of 10. Now over here I just have like a Hello Kitty cupcake squishy. It's pretty good. 5 out of 10 compared to some of the others. A Rubik's Cube, I hate it. 2 out of 10. Because what happens with this is like it gets into spots where it's impossible to solve. I hate it. Then I got these two for Christmas. And I just have like a Santa. It's pretty stretchy. As all those. And on the other side, it's like stretched out. Here I got a snowman. And there's the bottom of the snowman. It's very stretchy. Then it has things out here. I have this tiny like person, stretchy, and the head's just like kind of squishy. I have this poppet. It's like a keychain poppet. It's meant to annoy. It's pretty cool. It's a really good poppet. I'm gonna give it 7 out of 10. Same one, different colors. Yeah, 7 out of 10. They're both really good. brother gave me both of them. Now I got this poppet fidget spinner. That side's not very good. This one's really good. Now it doesn't spin the best, so I would give it a 7 out of 10. I got this fidget spinner from my brother, and it works really good, 10 out of 10. And it's like, and my dinosaur purse. It's really good. Has little pops up here, and you can even pop it from the inside. And it has things over here. The good thing about that is, so I have all these poppets, but you can take off the string if you want, like this. The way I do it, so I'm gonna clip that on there, clip that on there, and it'll just like fit on. Like that. And then I have this one right here, and it has a hole right there. So if I wanted, I could just take this clip here, and I'll take off these fidgets. So I'm gonna take that off. So you can just like take off part of the strap. And then once you've got that off, you can just go ahead, get those off. Now with the hole on this one, you can just get this one to like hang like that. And just go put that on there. I would say the poppets would look better. So I really like my dinosaur poppet bag. It's really good. And then if you want, you can take off both sides. These material ones are hard to pop, but I would say this is like a 13 out of 10. I may go over that because it's really good. And that was all my poppets. Thanks for watching. Bye.